What's up you guys, it's Aisling and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Essence one brand tutorial. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, maybe close to a year ago. Essence just recently sent me out a whole bunch of their new products and I'm very excited to try them for you guys today on camera. There's a whole bunch of products in here. If you guys are interested in seeing me test out these products, then just keep on watching. I just filled in my eyebrows and I realized there is an eyebrow product in here and it is called the Brow Like a Boss Ink Brow Gel. So it comes in a tube like this, kind of similar to their Make Me Brow. It says it lasts up to 72 hours. So I'm presuming it's a tint. Oh yeah, it is. It has a little angled brush on it. It says it's a long-lasting coloured eyebrow gel and it's smudge and waterproof. So I'm going to try and pop this through because, like I said, I have no gel on my brows. I don't really understand the lasting 72 hours. Does that mean you leave it on, you just put this in your eyebrows, or it's like a tint? I don't really know. It's just kind of going on like a gel. To be fair, I wish there was like a spoolie on it. You could like brush it through your brows. Yeah, it's okay. I don't really have any major thoughts on that product just because I already have my brow product in and I just find that it's hard to actually see it, but it has darkened my eyebrows. I will give it a go maybe when I've no makeup on and just see like, is it a tint that will last for a few days or something like that. So apologies for not trying that out properly. I will give it a go, like I said, maybe in a vlog or something, so keep an eye out for that. So there's a lot of skincare products in this because the actual theme of the new makeup is clean beauty and wow performance. Clean beauty, clean makeup is very much a trend at the moment and it's always about less is more sort of thing lately. I feel like we've gone away from like 2016, 2017, that like heavy full coverage foundation look. We're going more for natural makeup and enhancing your natural features. So it's a lot of the theme that Essence have gone with. So I have a few face products. I have this energy face serum. So this little tiny little pink thing is a Hydro Hero under eye stick, deep hydrating and caring. Got the Hello Good Stuff Happy Bliss face spray. This is an energize and hydrate one. And then the other product that I have here is the Fix and Last Jelly Primer. I think I'm gonna go with the face serum first and see what I think of this. You drop it. Ooh, I like that product. That is such an interesting product. So I'm just gonna put a few drops in the palm of my hand and apply it to my face. Ooh, it's very slippy. It smells so nice. Obviously it's like a citrus scent to it. I really like the feel of that. It's quite tacky on my skin. That's actually a really nice product and it's supposed to make your skin look glowy, so we'll see. I feel like my skin, because I've been drinking so much water lately, is in like the best shape that it's been in a while. I'm gonna go in with this product, the Hydro Boost Under Eye Stick. It's blue. I'm gonna pop that under. I don't really think this does anything instantly, but it does feel really nice. That's kind of tacky underneath my eye, but it feels really nice. It doesn't have a fragrance or anything like that. I like that product as well. I don't know if it's doing anything, but it's a nice feel. I actually have the promos here in front of me, all the information. Noah decided that he was going to rip it up and try and eat it before I even could get my hands on it. He's so fast. The Energy Face Serum, it says it's a boost of energy and care in the morning. It's a perfect addition to your beauty routine. It has 2% vitamin C. Hydro Hero, it says it's a quick boost of moisture for the under eye area. Hydro Hero Under Eye Stick is perfect for skincare kick or on the go as an addition to your morning routine after getting up in the evening before you go to bed. And then the Jelly Primer says it just makes makeup last longer, extraordinary gripping effect and guaranteed extra long hold. The other thing that they sent me for the face was the Hydro Hero 24-hour hydrating tinted cream, 88% natural ingredients in the shade Sun Beige, and it has an SPF of 15. I am going to try both of these together. This is actually silicone free, even though it looks like a silicone primer. I will do a full wear test on this tinted cream because I think it'd be interesting to see how it lasts. So we're just going to apply these onto the skin first. Oh, that has a really nice scent. It's not like overly powerful, it kind of just smells like skincare. I'm really into the tinted moisturizers. CC creams have been for so long, but I'm interested to see how this actually lasts. My Maybelline Dream Urban lasts really, really well. So does my Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin. I love the It Cosmetics CC cream. I feel like they last long. They're what I reach for, and I'm just hoping that this is like one of those type of products. I'm just going to apply a bit of this to the back of my hand. So it comes in a squeezy tube. I think that's evident. Ooh. It's a lot thicker than I actually anticipated. I thought that this was going to be like almost watery, kind of similar to the Maybelline, but it definitely has a thicker consistency. Like there's no moving in that product. We'll go in with the brush first. Okay, so it applies nice It's quite thin actually when it's on the skin, so it's not as thick as it comes out in the tube. It does take away any redness because I've noticed it's kind of blanked out my lips. That oxidizes so much. I didn't actually notice that. Like literally as you are blending this out, it's oxidizing and going a little bit darker. I feel like I need a little bit more product than I normally would if I'm using one of these BB creams. You guys know that I really like Essence foundation, especially the Stay All Day and the Fresh and Awake. I wish they'd bring that back. That was such a good foundation. I don't feel like this is given too much coverage. I don't feel like it's covered, you know, freckles or anything like that. Only issue I'm noticing just a little bit on the jawline, it's kind of pilling a little bit. I don't know, and as I'm applying it, it's almost rubbing off, which I don't know. Is that just because I'm using a brush? It looks patchy. It's not cute, not at all. The foundation's like all balling up. I might need to just take that off and reapply maybe. Obviously, I shouldn't be rubbing my skin like that, but when the brush is rubbing the foundation on, it's kind of balling up. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the eyes right now, and they sent me out this gorgeous Roma eyeshadow palette. There is, I think, two. There's the Miami one and the Rome one. Love the look of the colors in this. Find it very hard to kind of branch out from my neutrals at the moment. I just feel like they're just quick and easy and go to. And I don't know, maybe it's because I'm now in my 30s and I'm just kind of thinking maybe too much colour is just not a vibe for me anymore. I don't know. I really am interested in using this colour today, so I'm going to try and incorporate it into a look. So I think we're going to get this onto our eyes. For a transition colour, I'm just going to start in with this shade right here and mix in a bit of that coral. These kind of theme palettes always remind me of BH Cosmetics when they first like hit the market. All those shades work really well on the eye together. You can see them. They're pigmented, they're not too powdery, they're easy to blend. I'm going to add this dark brown to the outer corner. This is just straight up generic brown shade. Just blending it from the outer V onto the lid. It's not too crazy pigmented, but you are getting pigmentation from it, but it's not going to cause like a big splash on the outer corner, so I'm happy about that. I think I'm going to conceal the eyelid and then pop on some of these like shimmery shades that look super nice. I'm going to take this shade here, which is this kind of like, I don't know, sunsetty orangey kind of shade. And I'm just going to pop that beside the brown on the outer corner. Pretty shade. It's quite subtle. It's not like in your face, bam. And I think on that same brush, I'm just going to wipe it off. I'm going to take this shade here, which is kind of like a champagne-y kind of color. I'm just going to apply that all the way into the inner portion of my eye. And then right in the inner corner, I'm going to take maybe that like silvery kind of shade here and mix the cream into it. Pop that in my inner tear duct. It's been a while since I've done something that bright in there. I am going to apply this brown ink liner. I haven't used a brown liner like this in a decade. I'm going to take that mint green color and hopefully this translates nice on my lower lashes. That's actually not bad as mint eyeshadows go, because I feel like they don't always show up. I actually need to stress I really like this eyeliner, the brown. It's so pretty. I'm going to apply the Sensitive But Wow Volume Mascara. This is what the wand looks like, so it's a nice little skinny wand to help with my non-existent lashes, hopefully. The mascara that I've actually been loving lately and can't get enough of is the Catrice Lash Changer, and I'm just gonna show you it on this side. Just for me, this mascara is a bit better than that one, so it's nothing got to do with price or anything. It's just the way that this one gives me more lashes. I'm not really crazy about that mascara, to be honest. I just popped a bit of brown liner on my waterline. I'm just gonna apply this to my lower lashes. Yeah, it's okay. It's not a fantastic mascara. I mean, it does the job, but definitely not something I'd be reaching for overnight. We had no concealer or pressed powders, so I just went ahead and did that, but they have sent out this new Kissed by the Light. This is an illuminating powder, and it looks to me like it's a slight bronzer as well. So I'm not really sure, do I bronze my skin with this, or do I apply it as a topper or a blush? It is really pretty and it does have a kind of glow to it. Definitely not a bronzer. I think more of like a blusher topper product. I'm just going to apply that to the tops of my cheeks. It's definitely kind of strange product. I don't really know. It's more of like a glowy product that you would apply to your skin if you want like a bit of a fresh glow. It's not a blush, it's not a bronzer, it's not a highlighter. I don't know what it is. Yeah, so it kind of gives that like glowy effect to the skin. It would be nice as like an illuminating product maybe on the chest. I might do that as well. My eczema is so bad lately. It's just awful. If anybody else suffers from eczema, whatever you want to call it, yeah, I feel your pain. I haven't had like a breakout like this in so long, and it's just ruining my vibe. But anyway, I think that looks really nice. It's like a really nice illuminating bronzy product. So like if you had like a tan, this would be just gorgeous everywhere. I really like this product. It's actually one of my favorite products I've tried today. Essence also sent out 3 different lip products. So the first one here is the Electric Glow color changing lipstick. I've had a few of these in the past. You know, they're like a mad pink color or blue color. They change with the temperature of your skin. I'll just pop that one on. They're more of like a balm. Definitely something for more of a natural look, and this is actually not a bad shade. And then they sent out the hydrating matte lipstick in the shade 401 Mauve Mint. These are like a powder matte formula. They look really nice. This reminds me of the demi matte lipsticks from Catrice, that kind of like powdery effect to the lipstick itself, so I'm going to give that one a try. And then we've got the cranberry with tinting effect, again similar to the lipstick, so I'm just going to apply that as well just to see what it's like. Oh, that feels really nice. So those products would be great for like a no makeup day. I think they're really subtle and they're nice and really hydrating as well. I've just removed them, and instead what I'm going to do is apply a lip liner and go in with that lipstick just to see what it's like. And now I'm just going to go in with this lipstick. So the last thing I'm going to do is apply the Hello Good Stuff Happy Bliss face spray. So we're just going to do that last. Oh my god. It's a lot of product that just came flying at my face. That smells amazing. What a gorgeous spritz first thing in the morning. So that is the completed look, guys. What do you think? What did you think of the products? There was definitely a lot of hit and miss products today. I quite liked the Fix and Last primer. I must say I really enjoyed the Daily Drop of Energy, the glow boosting serum. That was really nice. The brown liquid liner, really liked it. Quite intense, really easy to use, and I like the color of it. Like, go figure, why didn't I use a brown liner before? And then the Kiss by the Light bronzing sun-kissed illuminating product. Really enjoyed this. It's just a very simple product. I'm sure there's lots like it, but it looks really nice on the skin, and especially on the collarbones, chest area. I really enjoyed this product. The lip products were a bit meh for me. Not really that interested in. Nothing new, nothing kind of that I don't already have in my collection or that I have never seen before. The lipstick's nice, very comfortable. I like the eye look. I came up with something nice for spring, and I think these shades are great. Again, I stress that these palettes are more beginners, newbies, kind of somebody who just wants something subtle. You're not going to get a huge amount of intensity from these eyeshadow palettes, but I think that's why I like them. They're a little bit more on the subtle end. And then I like the Happy Bliss face spray just for this fragrance more so than anything else. These are products I'm not really sure about. Like the hydrating product, I think it's great, like just as a, you know, a gimmick almost, but does it do anything? I don't really feel like it did. I don't really feel like it hydrated. Maybe I need to use it for a little bit longer before I can judge. It is a kind of skincare product, so it's always kind of harder to test initially on one day because, I mean, you don't really see results. So maybe after a while, or maybe, you know, I will test it out with different concealers and see, does it really make my under eye area smoother? The primer is fine, just a normal kind of primer, nothing really to write home about. It feels nice on the skin. Will it make my foundation last? I don't know, but we'll see. I don't know, I'll talk about it again maybe in a vlog or something. Brow Like a Boss, I don't know, this is probably not a really needed product for me. It's not something I'm going to reach for. It, you know, it did what it says on the bottle that it gives you. It's an ink brow gel, but I don't know, I don't really think it's something that I need, and I don't really think it's something I'm going to reach for. And then the Sensitive But Wow mascara, not loving that one either. I didn't think that was great. I am doing, like I said, a full review of this Hydro Hero, which will be up on my channel coming up. I don't like this product. I know it's marketed as a tinted cream and it's supposed to be like really fresh and lighten the skin. It looks okay. I mean, I'm not blown away by it. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I feel like there's other products on the market. I feel like it's a very high maintenance product because it was kind of balling up on me as I was applying it. There's other, like I said, products on the market that are a bit easier to manage. I don't like that it's such a thick consistency, especially when it's supposed to be like one of those tinted balms. You want something really lightweight. I can feel it on my skin. It didn't set down great either, and it kind of looks a little bit patchy where I've put like powders and stuff. It looks a bit kind of drying on my skin at the same time. I'm not crazy about it. I am doing, like I said, my full review. I only have it on like 2 hours, so I can't really say too much about it at this early stage, but definitely check out my full review of that. Yeah, I don't really think I have much more to say about all those Essence products. Thank you so much if you hung around to the end of the video. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know any other products you want me to review coming up, and I will do that. I'll talk to you all very soon. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.